Good morning, guys. It's Rhonda. Today is a special day for me and for Veronica. It is our birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Loretta. Happy birthday to me. Alright, hold on. I gotta sing another one. Oh, I can't think about it. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Oh, I gotta go hit the Simpsons version. Oh, hold up. Happy birthday, Retta. Happy birthday, Retta. Oh, and happy birthday, Veronica, too. Happy birthday, Veronica. Happy birthday, Veronica. Happy birthday to us. No, I cannot sing, but you know what? Ain't nothing gonna stop me from trying. Hey, man. I'm feeding the babies now, the dogs. No, Paul, you good. No. We're not going out right now. Go ahead and finish eating, honey. We're not going out right now. I'm just getting everything ready. Yo. The brightest thing about today is that it's my birthday because it is gloomy outside. And today, y'all see that light catch my face? Ooh. So anyway, what we're supposed to be doing today, well, Matthew's just getting off work, so he has to sleep. But we're supposed to be going to, turn on. Hold on. Sorry, y'all, I'm watching me some Monk. I love Monk. Monk is my show, so they have it on Amazon Prime. So I've been watching it, catching up on the seasons that I missed. Well, actually all the seasons, and then all the episodes that I may have missed. But I love Monk. Yes, I'm a dork. I will admit it, but I love me some Monk. Yeah, y'all know I got my bonnet on because I just woke up. Well, yeah, actually I just did wake up not too long ago. But y'all know it don't matter. As long as I'm home, this is my comfort. But no, I got my hair redone. It's looking cute. Hey, Max, you ready to go outside? Okay. Wait a minute, Paul. I have to get Paul his medicine. Wait a minute, what do you have? No, sir. No, sir. Ugh. My dog. No, sir. You know better than that, sweetie. They have the, one of the kids' toys. Hold on. Try to get this medicine out. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. All right. I'm back. Hold on, Max. Max, come in. Y'all, he's little. You seen him before. I gotta do something to him. All right, come on. Anyway, like I was saying, we're actually going house hunting today with Rhonda. She has some houses that she's gonna be looking at. So I don't know if I told you guys. It's alright. It's probably a light. Sorry guys, because the light is behind me. Looks kind of weird, so let me go around this way. Sorry, y'all gonna see the trash can again, but y'all know. A little bit better. A lot better, so, you know. Trying to get everything ready for my babies. Ooh. I gotta say, whoever messes the one-handers, doing things one hand, I have to give you guys some props. Oh, hi Poolie, my cat's up here. Can you get off of my counter, please? Get down. Yeah, okay. Yes, I know. It's like Animal Kingdom up in this house. Yes, it is. It is. Pools, get down. Come on, honey. There she is. Hold up. Take out. Poolie, say good morning. Yeah, she's coloring stuff. Poolie, say good morning. Pool. Poolie. Pool, she said good morning. She said, good morning, guys. What y'all doing this morning? Yes, and I'm going to say this in every vlog until I start posting. Oh, we've been filming like champs. But I have not been editing because, you know, life will beat you up. And yesterday, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Yesterday was not good. So, in previous vlogs that I haven't posted yet, that I want to, Matt and I, we want to get our basement finished, and we also want to get our kitchen renovated. So we thought we had our financing all good to go. Everything was awesome. Everything was cool. So yeah, so they quoted us one thing. So we're like, oh, okay, we can work with this. This is awesome. Boom, bam. You know, do what you need to do. So then they sent us the packet in the mail of all the paperwork that we need to sign. And nothing matched what we talked about. Not one daggone thing. So apparently, and you know what, that's not the part that bothers me. It's not. Because a lot of things change over time. But I think the more professional thing to do is to let somebody know when something has changed. If what we agreed upon was going to be and I tell you vastly different than what we agreed upon, you should have called us. You should never send out documentation for people to sign. It is not what they agreed on. So it wasn't what we agreed on at all. So I was kind of very peeved yesterday, and actually it's filtering into today because it was like nothing. I was like, ah. So when you think that you have everything, all your ducks in a row, you've done the right thing, you have pretty good credit, everything is going to plan, and then somebody tries to bamboozle you, it's like, I don't really trust you. So, you know, yeah, the whole paperwork, everything was just wrong. But my thing is, but you expected us to sign this? And then, so we send an email out, when Matthew sends an email out, we get this apology, like, oh, I'm so sorry for the confusion. No, hon. There was no confusion. There was no confusion whatsoever. You just blatantly lied. You blatantly sent us something vastly different, and you didn't give us a heads up. You didn't respect us enough, or you thought that we were stupid. And I'm calling it out. You thought we were stupid enough that we would just sign it. That doesn't make any sense. And let me tell you like this, guys. It wasn't like we weren't talking. Like, we were constantly corresponding with these people. So you had ample enough time to be like, hey, heads up, Rhonda and Matt. We found out this, that, and the third, and that you can't borrow as much money as you thought. And I have no issues. Because to me, being honest, that would have gave Matt and I an opportunity. Well, look, so I always have a contingency plan. So we do. But the thing of it is, it's like, dude, you don't have to be dishonest. You don't have to, you know, it was like a bait and switch, as far as I'm concerned. Like, you baited us with this, then you switched us, like we were going to sound like fools. And then apparently the guy was supposed to get back to us yesterday, but basically Matthew was like, we don't want to work with you. This is unprofessional, and we're not going to go through with the contract. And, yeah. Then he sent back an email, oh, well, I'll get back to you guys this afternoon. And that was yesterday afternoon, so no. But y'all, I'm not gonna let that ruin my birthday, but life has a way of just punching you. You know what? Well, kicking you or making you fall down. But you know what my motto is? You know what? I might stay down for 1 second, but I gotta get back up and do what I need to do. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go because I just been rambling for like the last 5 minutes. But happy birthday to me. And Rhonda, happy birthday to you. And I love you. All right, I don't know when you guys will be seeing this. It's gonna be probably after my birthday. Maybe long after my birthday. Who knows? But you can still say happy belated birthday if you so choose. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye. Hey, guys. I'm back real quick. I forgot to tell you guys the best part about this whole weekend is that Matthew is off with me. I'm so excited. Yes, Mommy. Let's go. Break J. Let her live. That Rain trying to take her life back. She said, look, she's hold up, let me move some of this stuff. Take away. You guys, what she's doing. Look at that. And I did her hair a little bit different. It's my first time. I put a whole bunch of twists in the back. Yeah, look at that. And I could have probably twisted it all, but she's getting antsy. Rain, look. Say hi. So I put the other one in 2 little puffs. So I'm trying my best. Oh, I'm not the best hairstylist. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. So I'm just experimenting. I can't talk. Just to see what I can do. But I really want something that's gonna last a little bit longer, so I'm not cleaning her hair like every other day. So if I could get the rest of this twisted, which I might just finish twisting the front so she has all twists. Sorry guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hey man, you wanna say hello? Jay, you wanna say hi? Wanna take a picture? Say hi, people. Yeah. Y'all know how he is about the camera. He is not a big fan. But yeah, I'm so excited about that. Y'all know how this kitchen is. Oh, my battery's about to die. But I just want to come on real quick. I'm so excited. And then we have some plans for the weekend with just Matt and I. So oh God, I'm so excited. I definitely need this. Happy birthday to me. All right, guys. Oh, I'm vlogging. Hey guys, this is a sad birthday. So the birthday's all right, but there's no power. I don't even know. Okay, I thought this was about to die. I think it is. Well, anyway, I have no power on my birthday. So apparently, there's this big nor'easter coming through, and it's really, really windy. And guys, we don't have any power. And we're supposed to be going with Rhonda. Rhonda, hold up. Rhonda, I'm vlogging, honey. So, I'm telling you guys we don't have any power. No power on my birthday. No. I'm so sad. Alright guys. Bye. Just wanted to let you know, we have no power. I have to go wake my husband up. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, sorry. Yes, she did. I don't know how to fix it back. Hi, my sister drove my car and she moved like my steering wheel and stuff and it's out of whack. But anyway, it is still my birthday and it is storming like Norman. But Rhonda still wants us to go out and see these houses. So, Matthew, say hello to everybody. It's the first time they're seeing you today.
Hi everybody.
He's sleepy. Like I told you guys earlier, he worked last night, so he's awfully tired. And my battery's about to, the battery's about to die. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. But they're so excited. Oh, what happened? We're looking at all the damage that is possibly being done to our house because, guys, this storm is no joke. Right, babe? Oh, right now, I told you guys earlier, we don't have any electricity. It went out. But yeah, I changed my hair. It's bright, isn't it? This is the same color I had, but it seems like a little bit brighter. I gotta get used to it, but whatever. But, yeah. Matthew's sleepy. I'm sorry, Nuke. Jay. And I know, guys, I need to get his hair cut. We're gonna get his hair cut tomorrow. Jay, you see? You wanna say hello? Jay, say hi. Say hello. We're taking one. Well, no, we gotta go to Smyrna first. I forgot, we're not going. Let me call Rhonda, babe. I should have called before we left. All right, guys, I'll be back. Absolute mess. Oh my God. I'm scared. My husband got this, right, babe? Because it's my birthday. Love you. Alright guys, let me go. I'll be checking it out because I'm taking you guys house hunting with me. I don't know if I'm going to include that footage in this vlog or if I'm going to do like a separate video. I have to see. Alright guys, I'll be back. Oh hey guys, so we just finished seeing the first house. I'm so sorry. I forgot to bring in the camera. I really did. But here, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from the outside. Oh, hold up. I have to wait for Rhonda to pop. Set it up here. There you go. It's a cute little house. But you just follow them around. Yeah, but it's a cute little house, so.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
It's updated.
Yeah, it's really updated.
And it's newly updated.
It's newly updated.
They did a nice job with it.
Yeah, and the house is not even that old. The house is only 8 years old. Okay, we gotta follow them. The house is only 8 years old, so this is really cool.
Yeah, not like that first house.
That first house was garbage.
A crappy flip.
And if I had the footage for that one too, and I'll show you guys that one.
Yeah, I didn't see any molding peeling up. I still say that kitchen floor wasn't tile though. It felt like a laminate.
No, it felt like tile to me. I felt the grout.
Nah.
Well, I don't know, Matthew, whatever it is.
Tile,
Sorry, guys.
there's laminate, or not laminate. Well, it could be laminate. That looks and feels.
But whatever, if it is laminate, they did a good job.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Well, I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just saying I don't think it's tile.
And if she, sorry guys, I'm definitely bringing the camera in for the next. I think we're going to 3 more locations, so I'm definitely gonna bring the camera in. So let me go, so I don't lose. So this vlog is not like 500 minutes long. All right, guys, be back. All right, guys. So I didn't forget to vlog this time. So we're in the next. I like this. This is nice. I really like this. Yeah. The fireplace was kind of dark. Does it light somewhere? I don't do it. Yeah, I love it. Oh, it does. This is nice. If it is a gas spark.
What is that address? 219 West.
219 West. I left my phone in the car, but it's not
I want to make that appointment.
219 West.
Oh
my goodness, this is nice.
If you pick this house,
Yeah.
maybe you can make a contingency plan to have that included.
I have one of those. She can have it.
You know what? This is crazy. You know what? I can't. You know what, Andrea? It's hard dealing with people that actually own a home. No, I like it because
Because you don't have any furniture.
yeah. Well, I know. Okay, let's see this. Okay, this is you can put it. Oh, I like the kitchen just fine.
Maybe soft close drawers.
Yeah. Oh, babe, watch out, guys. So this is the guys. We go in. That's the front door, and then you come into the living room. But this.
Oh, I love that. I love that.
And then this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Look at this. This is nice. Look, all the houses I look at are upgraded. I know. Look at this floor. I like this.
Perfect.
Oh, I like this than any other house.
Oh,
this is nice. No. Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. Stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel refrigerator. This is nice. Like, this is the laundry room? Oh, what's this?
This used to be the garage.
Oh my, I like this. Oh, look, come on. My sister has she has a vlog channel, her and her husband, and I'm on it, and that's why she's vlogging the house for me, so she can put it on her channel. This is nice.
I want to see the vlog.
Oh, okay. Well, hold up. So this is, okay, let me just talk to the guys. So
Those
guys,
lines are awesome.
this is nice. So this used to be the garage. I like this.
So cool.
Look at the fingering, guys. This is nice. Yeah. What? What do you wonder, babe? Yeah, because it's cold out here.
Yeah.
Does it have a separate heating for this part?
I see this being heated.
Yeah.
It's probably not heated.
Yeah, it's cold.
But it's something that you would come out and
You can, well, if you want to heat, you can get one of those fake fireplaces.
No, this is
No, there's a vent right here, but is that a,
let me see.
might be a, no. Nah.
You can get one of those fake
Wait a minute,
fireplaces.
this is Verizon.
Yeah.
They have fires.
Yeah, but you could get one of them fake fireplaces.
Yeah, those fireplaces kick off a lot of heat.
Yeah, you wouldn't even need it. And plus, if you get the ones that the Amish, there's the ones that are energy efficient that there's no money.
Affect your
No, you'll be perfectly
Yeah, they
fine.
also have, it's called a mini split.
Look at this.
Oh, look,
No one's bought this house yet.
there's a vent up here. I don't know if you can.
Oh yeah, Ron, there's a vent. Yeah, that's a vent.
They just don't have the heat on them.
Yeah,
That's not even that cold.
this is nice. I like this. This is nice. This is like extra space because you don't really need a garage.
I don't need a garage. I don't care.
Plus, this is a nice little laundry room.
All I care
Oh,
about
look,
was
Ron,
some
'cause this
place
is
to-
like-
You know what else I like?
Oh, good.
This might sound crazy.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get away from that for a second. Going through the kitchen. This is the living room again, and now I'm gonna take you guys to. Look at this, guys. Well, this is where her heating and water heater is. Babe, this is nice water heater and I like this. This is nice. Okay, this is bedroom. This is the first bedroom. Oh, this is cute for my kids, Rhonda. Oh, I hope they use these curtains. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. Check the closet. Let me see if I can get it. Hold on, I gotta get it from the outside. So babe, the room is kind of small. You like it? It's kind of small, but it's nice. All right, so this is. Oh, no,
There's
but
my linen closet right here.
here is a. Oh no, bro, this is your that's where your furnace and stuff is.
Oh, good. But look, there's my linen closet.
Hold on, what's the light? Oh, brother, there's a light. All right, guys. So hallway, first bedroom. But I'm going to the second bedroom first. Oh, this is the bathroom, guys. Oh, this is nice. Oh, Rhonda. Oh, my. Hold up, guys. Let me see if I can get y'all. So this is the bathroom tub. Little thing. Toilet. This is... What? Matthew, come check out this bathroom.
No.
It's nice.
I like that. Floor.
Brother, is this the master?
Yeah.
Oh, it's huge.
Huge. And the only
Oh my God.
this
I love
carpet
this
always
carpet.
there. I love it too. These damn animals when they heat.
Oh, could you not cuss on the phone? If I open up that closet so they can see it.
Oh.
So let me get from the outside. So this is the master bedroom for Zoe.
A little small, but
Let me
the only
see.
issue is I'm trying to think.
Oh,
about
it is a
Zoe's
little
thing.
small.
But all we do is hang Zoe's clothes in there.
Oh, but what about her? Where's her other stuff gonna
She
go?
has another dresser.
How about her wheelchair? Can you
Yeah. Oh, this is. Oh, this is a nice.
If we could probably.
This is the master bed. Oh, JD, watch out, honey. Sorry. The master bath. So this is coming in as a shower,
That I had, and I mean, it wasn't some difficult
sink,
issue.
toilet.
Because
What's that, man?
she has a bad
Toilet seems narrow.
It does, yeah. Cause how would you fit her in there, Rhonda?
her bath in the tub. That would be the only issue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is
Other than that, dang, that's it. What, babe?
so sometimes but can we if we get a wheelchair down here, that would be that's pretty good. We could always build a wheelchair in here and put Zoe in the bed and take her wheelchair out.
And put it where?
And you're not here all the time. You won't let me get the kids bunk beds.
No, cause if they fall off, they might die. No, thank you.
Really, no, I don't have to get them bunk beds. They make beds better where it's the top bed. And
Oh, look, Ronnie got a coat
you can pull
closet.
the bottom bed out the bottom bed.
Right.
We put Zoe's wheelchair in
Yeah.
that room after we put Zoe in the bed.
Yeah.
And you just gotta think about things like this.
That's right. That's a closet. That's a coat closet.
Closet?
Yeah, coat closet.
I like
So
that.
you can put Zoe's stuff in that closet
Yep.
neatly away. We don't need a coat.
We could put all of
These blinds in the store too.
Yeah.
All right. So let me do like a quick.
We can take all of Zoe's extra supplies and put in this closet.
I love this living room though.
I love this house.
It's nice.
Really, this is, but I can't, I don't know what this is.
We're not done yet.
Do you
Let's
think
go see.
it's too small?
It is small.
But better, I mean, just think, it's not even open, but it's open. So we could,
I want to see the backyard though.
I always think of the worst case scenario.
What's the worst case scenario, babe? On my camera.
It's like, well, what happens if the blind breaks inside of it?
Somebody fix it.
You have to replace it.
Let me see outside. Oh, this is the backyard. This is perfect. Yes. Perfect. This is the backyard.
It looks, but it's already a shed.
Yeah.
It's fit for Ashley.
What?
Look, a little pad.
Oh, this is nice. All right, I'm cool.
Oh, you have your pennies.
Forever.
This is lovely. I love the yard. I don't have to do nothing.
Yeah.
Now I don't know
All
what.
right, guys. So I'm hoping I got some good footage.
Right, let's
But
see
yeah.
that one.
Oh, this is nice. Okay, on to the next.